Hello friends, how are you? It is scorching summer here in India. People are dying due to excessive heat and there is no sign of rain. So, my request to all of you from all over the globe that please plant trees and save yourself and please save the world. Today I am going to share my 2 months experience with this printer. I have printed more than 200 pages with this, and one thing that amazed me about is its ink cartridge capacity, but I will share this if I get a massive response from this video. So let's move on. Offers easy mobile printing. Just connect and set up quickly from your smartphone, tablet or PCs. You can also scan to email your documents with or without network. Quality of printing is just perfect for your home using and with HP's lowest ink cartridges. More importantly, you can do all of this with world's most reliable printer brand. Just manage your printing jobs using the touchscreen. Quickly fax, scan, copy with the 35-page ADF and get news, recipes, puzzles. You can buy it directly from the link provided below. So don't be late, just click the link below to bring your favorite companion today. In the unboxing video of this printer, I have got few questions. One of them was from Vargas Faith. He says, just had a questions regarding the paper input tray. Is it only at the back of the printer? Let's check it out. Yes mate, it is at the back of the printer. You can check it, you can open it from the back and you can take a paper here, from here, and just you can place it slowly. Now it will ask you, did you load a plain paper? Press yes and your paper have been successfully loaded. Second question was from Nurul Sakina. How about the wireless? Have you give it a try for that function? Yes, I have done that. Let's check it out. In the wireless settings, you can on or off your wireless and just press on and wireless is turning on. You will get a message here when the connection will be successfully made. In the setup wizards, there are also various kind of menus available. In the advanced settings, you can change your IP address, proxy settings. And the next questions was from Srikanto Bhattacharya. He wants to know about the printing quality. Yes, that is a good question. We should know about the printing quality before buying any kind of printer. Let's check it out. Before printing, we just need to open the tray extender. It will hold the paper after printing, and by which the paper will not fall down. And let's go to my computer and let a document to be print. You can check that the paper is printing, and just wait few seconds and it have printed out. And because of the tray extender, it have not that is, you can see that tray extender, it will hold your document safely. And now let's check out the quality of printing. You can see that the quality of printing is just awesome. What more you can expect from a printer under $100? It is just amazing. If you like this video, then please give a big thumbs up and share this with your friends in Facebook, Twitter or wherever you want to share it. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel you can subscribe our channel by clicking the subscribe button, which you can find in the below of this video. And please do not forget to click on the wheel just beside the subscribe button and just check the send me all notification for this channel for regular updates. And click on save. We'll do more reviews on this printer and show you the ink cartridge capacity of this printer, but only if I get 100 likes and 50 subscribers from this video. So please subscribe, like and share. Bye bye.